Good day, everyone. We are going to talk about our second lesson in values today, which is being responsible for one's acts, understanding the dimensions and influencing factors of responsibility. Okay, so responsibility is a foundational concept that underpins individual and collective behavior. Responsibility is not just a moral obligation but a crucial aspect of maintaining trust and integrity in relationships, whether personal or professional. Okay, so responsible actions lead to trust and integrity in personal and professional relationships. Responsibility is the obligation to act in accordance with ethical standards and societal norms. Okay? So responsibility encompasses various duties that individuals have towards themselves, others, and society. It is vital or important for individuals to understand their roles and the impact of their actions. So example, an employee meets deadlines and delivers quality work. That would illustrate now how individual responsibility can contribute to workplace success. So there are different types of responsibility. So each type of responsibility here serves a unique role in shaping behavior. Ethical responsibility focuses on moral actions. Social responsibility emphasizes contributions to community welfare, and environmental responsibility stresses the importance of sustainability. So we will be talking about them one by one. So we have here first ethical responsibility. Ethical responsibility is crucial for maintaining integrity and trust. Individuals must consider the ethical implications of their actions and how they affect others. So example here, a teacher giving equal opportunities for participation in class. It shows now ethical responsibility in practice. Okay? Again, there has to be moral principles in application of this. We also have here social responsibility. This type of responsibility encourages individuals and organizations to contribute positively to society. It emphasizes the importance of being aware of social issues and taking action to address them. An example of this one would be the businesses donating a portion of profits to community projects. Okay? So it reflects social responsibility by prioritizing community welfare over solely profit-driven motives. We also have here personal responsibility. Personal responsibility involves acknowledging that one's choices have consequences. Okay? It requires individuals to reflect on their actions and accept the outcomes. Example, a student studying diligently for exams. Okay, so it illustrates how personal responsibility leads to success through commitment and effort. Yan. We also have here collective responsibility. When we say collective responsibility, it emphasizes that groups must work together and be accountable for their actions. This fosters teamwork and collaboration in achieving common goals. So an example of this one, a sports team working together to achieve a championship. Okay, so it demonstrates how collective effort can contribute to shared outcomes. We also have here environmental responsibility. Environmental responsibility highlights the obligation to care for the planet and make decisions that reduce harm to the environment. So it involves sustainable practices that promote ecological well-being. An example of this one would be a family, recycling, and conserving water. Okay, it shows everyday actions that could reflect to environmental responsibility. We also have here the different factors affecting responsibility. We have ignorance, fear, passion, violence, and habit. Okay? So, various factors can influence an individual's ability to act responsibly. Understanding these factors can help individuals navigate challenges and make better choices. Example of this one would be fear of consequences that could lead someone to avoid accountability. Okay? So, let's talk about them one by one. When we say ignorance, okay, when individuals are unaware of the implications of their actions, okay, they may make decisions that negatively impact others or the environment. So, education and awareness are essential or are important in promoting responsible behavior. Okay, example of this one, when a person littering because he doesn't know the environmental impact of littering. Okay, so it shows ignorance. Next, we also have here fear. Fear can prevent individuals from acknowledging their mistakes or taking accountability for their actions. So this often leads to culture of denial and irresponsibility. So an example here, an employee who does not report unethical behavior due to fear of retaliation. So it could highlight now the detrimental effects of fear in making a responsible action. We also have here passion. Okay, passion can drive positive outcomes. That's correct, but it can also lead to impulsive decisions that may not consider ethical implications. Okay, striking a balance is crucial for responsible behavior. Okay, so example here, a passionate advocate may act impulsively, risking now ethical considerations. Very much passionate. Next, we also have here violence. Okay, experiences with violence can shape how individuals perceive responsibility. It often leads to justifications for harmful actions. So understanding this influence is essential for promoting accountability. An example would be a person or an individual justifying harmful actions in response to perceived threats. Okay? And lastly, we have habit. When we say habit, okay, these are very powerful in shaping our behavior. Okay? Positive habits can enhance responsibility while negative habits can lead to careless action. So developing constructive habits is vital for fostering accountability. Example of this one would be regularly engaging in community service can foster a sense of social responsibility. Okay? So the conclusion here for being responsible, okay, is that it's very important to understand and promote responsibility across different dimensions. Okay? We have to reinforce that responsible behavior contributes to positive societal change and sustainability. Individual and collective efforts toward responsible behavior will lead to positive societal change.